I running golf 2 years and sometimes I going to screen golf or field. I'm not well swimming. In Korea school, I'm skipping rope, setting on an example group, and in fencing academy too. I love skipping rope, and I like fencing. Every day I went to fencing academy in Korea. In fencing academy, we doing push up and sit up and change foot. It's really hard, but I can do it, and I'm black belt. I love golf, but I don't want to jump for golf. Just interested. Golf is very funny. I want to be playing golf forever. When I go back to Korea, I will doing better with my skipping rope driver, and I will doing sports forever. Thank you.